Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and welcome to my fifth and final Spooktober 2022 video. It is actually Halloween today when this video is going live, so happy Halloween everyone. I really hope you're having a spooktacular time. But for today's video, I really wanted to do something cute and really easy to do as well. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and be a part of my nail family here at YouTube. So first of all, it's super easy. You only need a couple of colored polishes. You don't even need any additional tools, to be honest. Maybe like a toothpick or a dotting tool. If you don't have a dotting tool or anything like that, there are a ton of different household items that you can use instead. But you want to start off with the base, and I'm going in with Starrily's Vanta Black, just one coat, and the base that I used was by Chanel. Then I am going to use two beautiful unicorn skin like flaky polishes by Holotaco. Of course I had to use the Aurora one because that is the name of my baby girl. I miss her so much. I'm still quite heartbroken because of everything that happens, but I'm surviving, I guess. But yeah, you just want to take a sponge and just tear off a little piece. I just decided to just rip it off with my fingers because that was more easy for me. And then I'm just going to like grab two small pieces because we're using two different polishes, of course. Just grab one of the pieces with tweezers or maybe just your fingers if that's more handy for you. Apply some of the flaky polish on there, and I just decided to pick these two flaky colors because they're just really gorgeous and super like Halloweenish, like this first one. This is the Galactic Unicorn skin, so it kind of shifts from like a green towards a blue, and it just matches so beautifully with the Aurora one because that one shifts from like a blue to a purple to an orangey golden kind of tone. So it really shifts really nicely, like blends into each other if you move like your nails in different angles. So yeah, I really love that. So I'm just going to apply a bit of each of those two colors just really randomly to the nail. As you can see here, just look at how beautiful this flaky polish is. Oh, it's gorgeous. Of course, if you don't have any sponges or anything like that on hand, you can just apply these polishes straight from the bottle with the brush that comes with the bottle as well. I just felt like I needed a little bit of like a smaller surface and not too much polish onto my nails for each color. So that is why I used a little sponge, but of course you can just wing it with the brush that comes with the bottle as well. So yeah, once again, just apply it really randomly to the nails. If you want like a full-on flaky nail, just apply it on top of the entire nail surface. It really doesn't matter. Like, nail art is supposed to be fun, and especially on my channel, you don't have to be a nail art ninja to actually create a really cute, for example, Halloween nails like I'm doing right here. So yeah, just make sure that you let that sit for like 5 to 10 minutes before going into the next step. I'm going in with a white polish by Essence. This one is discontinued, but they have revamped their entire nail polish collection, and there is another white in there as well. If you're curious to see all like 50 new shades that they came out with, I actually did a full-on swatch fest video on that, where I swatched all 50 colors, so check it out if you're done watching this video and you're curious about that. But with that white, I am going in straight with the brush that comes in the bottle to create a really cute tiny ghosts. So because I don't have like the widest nails, obviously they are quite long, I've actually just shortened them. like a day before recording this video, so they were actually like half a centimeter longer than this, but because I don't have super like wide nails, they are quite narrow. I'm just going to do like one ghost on most of the nails and only applying 2 little ghosties to the thumb as well as the ring fingernail. If you don't have a super steady hand like me, like, hey, welcome to the club. I get the shakes every now and then because of blood pressure stuff. But if you get the shakes as well, or your hand is just not steady at all, just work really slowly. And you can also use something like a dotting tool. I will actually do that for the other 2 nails, for the ring finger as well as the pinky. But for some reason I feel like my camera was like haunted or something, because it really didn't want to focus on my nails for like the biggest part of the footage that I recorded. I don't know what was going on. It was like, I'm just gonna focus on your backdrop and not your nails, you know. Yeah, I don't know what was up with that. Usually my camera doesn't have a lot of like focusing like issues, but yeah, I don't know. I just blame it on Halloween. But yeah, here you can see me using a bigger size dotting tool to actually paint on the small little ghosts. So yeah, there definitely are a couple of different techniques that you can do to create this cute, super easy ghost nail art. But yeah, you can also use like an acrylic white paint if you don't have an opaque white nail polish. This one by Essence, I just love it so much. This one is number 33, Wild Wide Ways. As I mentioned, it's discontinued, but maybe you can find something that is quite similar to it. I just love Essence nail polishes. They tend to be really pigmented and the pricing is just so low. Like, you get so much bang for your buck. It is insane. But you guys know me, I always love to use like different brands, different price nail polishes as well. That is why I tend to switch it up a lot. Also using like a Chanel base coat, super high end, super expensive. I'm definitely not going to repurchase that one because it's just really expensive, and I can get like a similar effect with base coats that are like below €4, but that's a whole other story. But yeah, I just really like to use different brands. The Starrily one was actually gifted to me, I think it's like 3 years ago already, by Starrily. I really wish they would want to like continue working with me, because I've only had like one little PR package from them. But I really love the brand. They have some really unique like indie polishes, which I love, of course. And the Holotaco ones are, I think Holotaco is considered indie as well, but I'm not quite sure because I feel like they're getting like, I don't know, a little bit more mainstream, even though you can only get them at Holotaco's web store. But yeah, I don't think that all of their polishes are like super unique, but the flaky ones I really love, of course. But I'm just really rambling about nail polishes. You know me, I love nail polishes. I'm a nail polish enthusiast, hoarder, collector. You know the drill. Here I actually waited like 10 minutes after applying the white little ghosties, and I'm going in with Starry's Vanta Black again and a smaller size dotting tool to actually like give them some eyes and little ghouly mouths. So yeah, that is pretty much what I'm doing. Once again, you can definitely use like a toothpick or maybe even a bobby pin or something like that to draw in the eyes and the mouths. So yeah, that's totally up to you and whatever you have laying around. Here you can see my camera being possessed again by some ghost, not wanting to focus on the actual nail art that I'm doing, but focusing on my other hand, which was quite Halloweeny as well. This is actually the Halloween gel polish set that I did. I think it's like 5 weeks ago already. I really need to redo them, but I really wanted to keep them throughout my Spooktober series as well. So yeah, if you have like any ideas what to do with my right hand, like gel polish wise, it's just a gel polish overlay on natural nails. If you have any ideas what to do for November, let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, here I'm just finishing off the design, like just put some white little dots in the center of the eyes, or wherever in the eyes you want your ghosts to look at, to stare at. They don't have to be perfect. That is the fun part of this design. These are just really cute, kind of like comical kind of ghosts on nails, you know. I really like it, and yeah, I just think they look super cute, and they're just really fun. You can really like mix and match colors with this one. You don't have to use a black base or a background for them. You can use any glitter polish or flaky, or totally skip the glitters and flakies. But yeah, after everything is dried, go in with your top coat and your design is done. But yeah, this was my entire new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.